Today we are going to replace our water filter. This is for GE appliances. The first time I did this I had to watch a video, so I'm gonna show you to hopefully help you so you can change it. So the first thing has little things you press on each side to open the compartment. This you pull down and then you rotate it counterclockwise and pull it out. Super easy. This is the old one. So I'm gonna set this one aside. This is the new one. It came wrapped in plastic, which I already took off, and then in the box. We're gonna line the holes up. The small hole is on top, the bigger hole is on the bottom. So I'm gonna slide it in the holes, and then you rotate it clockwise. It's about a quarter turn. You press it back up into the compartment, and you shut the door. It's that easy. And then you do want to, let me shut the fridge here. You are going to want to now run the water to break the new filter in. And my filter status light automatically turned off. So overall, easy to use. Just make sure you watch a video so you install it properly, and comes with some instructions on how to install it as well. So overall, do recommend this product, and I hope the video helped y'all.